Only 5% of people can pass this visual IQ test. Which shape has the most sides? A. Triangle, or B. A square, or C. Hexagon, or D. Pentagon. The answer is C. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Bees use them because they tile perfectly with no wasted space. Which color is between red and yellow? A. Green, or B. Orange, or C. Purple, or D. Blue. The answer is B. Orange. Orange wasn't named in English until the fruit arrived in the 1500s. Before that it was yellow-red. How many sides does a stop sign have? A. 6, or B. 7, or C. 8, or D. 10. The answer is C. 8. Stop signs are octagons so drivers can identify them even from the back. Which is taller, a square or a rectangle? A. Square, or B. Rectangle, or C. Both equal, or D. Depends. The answer is D. Depends. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. Geometry trivia gold. Which shape rolls smoothly? A. Cube, or B. Pyramid, or C. Sphere, or D. Cone. The answer is C. Sphere. A sphere has no edges or vertices, making it the only shape that rolls in every direction. What color do you get mixing blue and yellow? A. Purple, or B. Green, or C. Brown, or D. Orange. The answer is B. Green. Green dominates nature because chlorophyll reflects green light back at our eyes. How many primary colors are there? A. 2, or B. 3, or C. 4, or D. 5. The answer is B. 3. In paint, primaries are red, blue, and yellow, but in light they're red, green, and blue. Which is the longest line type? A. Dashed, or B. Dotted, or C. Solid, or D. Wavy. The answer is C. Solid. Solid lines have no gaps, making them visually longer than the same length dashed line. A circle has how many corners? A. 0, or B. 1, or C. 2, or D. Infinite. The answer is A. 0. A circle is defined by infinite points equidistant from a center, but 0 corners. Which letter looks the same backwards? A. B, or B. A, or C. F, or D. G. The answer is B. A. Letters like A, H, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y are vertically symmetrical. Which pattern repeats, ABAB or ABCD? A. ABAB, or B. ABCD, or C. Both, or D. Neither. The answer is A. ABAB. Repeating patterns like ABAB are the basis for music, textiles, and even DNA structure. What comes next? Red triangle pointed up, red triangle pointed down, red triangle pointed up, red triangle pointed down, red triangle pointed up? At red triangle pointed up, or B. Red triangle pointed down, or C. Black large square, or D. White large square. The answer is B. Red triangle pointed down. Alternating sequences train your brain's pattern recognition cortex from infancy. Which shape has equal sides and angles? A. Rectangle, or B. Rhombus, or C. A square, or D. Trapezoid. The answer is C. Square. A square is the only quadrilateral with all sides and all angles equal. Which is heavier, 1 kilogram feathers or 1 kilogram steel? A. Feathers, or B. Steel, or C. Equal, or D. Steel barely. The answer is C. Equal. Classic trick, both weigh exactly 1 kilogram. But steel takes up far less space. How many triangles in a Star of David? A. 2, or B. 6, or C. 8, or D. 12. The answer is B. 6. 2 overlapping triangles create 6 small ones plus the original 2. Most people miss this. Which is not a primary shape? A. Circle, or B. Square, or C. Oval, or D. Triangle. The answer is C. Oval. An oval is a stretched circle, considered a derived shape, not primary. What's the next shape? A, or B, or C, or D. The answer is B. The pattern is 2 filled, 1 empty. Recognizing this is core IQ test logic. How many faces does a cube have? A. 4, or B. 6, or C. 8, or D. 12. The answer is B. 6. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Euler's formula in action. Which is the odd one out? A. Circle, or B. Square, or C. Triangle, or D. Cube. The answer is D. Cube. A cube is 3D. The others are 2D shapes. Dimensional odd one out puzzles trip many people. Mirror image of B is which letter? A. D, or B. P, or C. Q, or D. H. The answer is A. D. Dyslexic readers often confuse B/D because they're perfect mirror images. How many sides does a dodecagon have? A. 10, or B. 11, or C. 12, or D. 20. The answer is C. 12. Dodeca means 12 in Greek, also why a dodecahedron has 12 faces. Which angle is exactly 90 degrees? A. Acute, or B. Right, or C. Obtuse, or D. Straight. The answer is B. Right. Right angles are marked with a small square. The symbol predates modern geometry. Penrose triangle is famous for being A. Largest, or B. Impossible, or C. Sharpest, or D. Oldest. The answer is B. Impossible. The Penrose triangle looks 3D but cannot exist in real space, pure optical illusion. How many cubes form a Rubik's Cube face? A. 6, or B. 8, or C. 9, or D. 12. The answer is C. 9. Each face is 3 times 3, totaling 9 visible squares. The cube has 54 stickers in total. Which illusion makes lines look bent? A. Cafe wall, or B. Penrose, or C. Necker, or D. Knitza. The answer is A. Cafe wall. The cafe wall illusion was discovered on a real cafe-styled wall in Bristol, 1979. Necker cube illusion shows what? A. Color shift, or B. 2 orientations, or C. Hidden face, or D. Moving lines. The answer is B. 2 orientations. Your brain flips the Necker cube between 2 valid 3D interpretations every few seconds. Knitza triangle is famous because A. It's invisible, or B. Edges aren't real, or C. It rotates, or D. It's curved. The answer is B. Edges aren't real. Your brain invents the triangle's edges, they don't actually exist in the image. How many squares in a 4x4 grid total? A. 16, or B. 20, or C. 26, or D. 30. The answer is D. 30. Count all sizes. 16 small plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 30. Most people only spot the 16. Which shape tessellates a plane alone? A. Circle, or B. Pentagon, or C. Hexagon, or D. Octagon. The answer is C. Hexagon. Only triangles, squares, and hexagons tile a plane perfectly with no gaps. Ebbinghaus illusion tricks perception of F. Color, or B. Size, or C. Emotion, or D. Depth. The answer is B. Size. The same circle looks bigger or smaller depending on the circles surrounding it. Comment your score below, be honest, no cheating.